Ever wondered why Python is one of the most popular programming languages? The secret lies in its simplicity. Python, an interpreted, high-level, and general-purpose programming language, has won the hearts of many programmers across the globe. Its design, which places considerable emphasis on code readability, is one of its most appealing features. Thanks to Python's syntax, programmers can express complex concepts in fewer lines of code than they could in languages such as C++ or Java. This streamlining leads to more efficient coding and, by extension, efficient problem-solving. In a world where time is money, Python's simplicity is a golden ticket to productivity and innovation, but it's not just about efficiency. Python's syntax is also incredibly intuitive, making it an excellent language for beginners and a reliable tool for seasoned pros. So, Python's simplicity and readability make it a favorite among many programmers, but what about its strengths and weaknesses? Python's strengths lie in its versatility and efficiency. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, equipped with tools to tackle nearly any coding challenge. Its simplicity is one of its core strengths. With its clear, readable syntax, Python is not only easy to learn but also to write, making it a popular choice for beginners. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is a powerhouse. From web development to data science, artificial intelligence to network programming, it's got you covered. Python's versatility is truly impressive, making it the go-to language across a plethora of fields. One of Python's secret weapons? Its extensive libraries and frameworks. These pre-written codes can be leveraged to save time and effort, boosting efficiency. Whether you're building a complex machine learning model or a simple web app, Python's libraries and frameworks have got your back. But like anything else, Python has its weaknesses. Despite its strengths, Python has a few drawbacks. Now let's delve into them. One of the most significant limitations of Python is its performance speed. While it's an excellent language for beginners and for prototyping, it's not as fast as languages like C or Java. This means that for applications where speed is a key factor, Python might not be the best choice. Moreover, Python isn't the go-to language for mobile development. It's not that it's impossible to build mobile apps with Python, but it's not as streamlined or efficient as using languages specifically designed for this domain like Swift or Kotlin. Another issue is Python's memory consumption. The language is known for consuming more memory than some other programming languages. This can be a limitation when it comes to building memory-intensive applications, as you'll need to manage your resources carefully to prevent performance issues. Now that we've discussed Python's strengths and weaknesses, let's look at some of the popular applications and websites built using Python. Python has been used to build some of the most popular websites and applications. It's not just a hit amongst beginners, but also a favorite amongst tech giants. You may be surprised to learn that some of your favorite digital platforms are powered by this versatile language. Consider Google a behemoth in the technology world. It relies heavily on Python for many of its back-end processes. YouTube, the second largest search engine after Google, also employs Python to deliver millions of videos worldwide. Instagram, with its billion users, uses Python to handle its massive data and complex functionality. And let's not forget Spotify, the music streaming giant that trusts Python for data analysis and back-end services. These big names have one thing in common. They all recognize Python's efficiency and versatility. It's the language's ability to handle large-scale applications that sets it apart. Python's compatibility with databases is another reason for its popularity. Python integrates well with various databases, making it even more versatile. In the world of data-driven decisions, Python's ability to connect with multiple databases is a game changer. This includes relational databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL, as well as lighter, file-based databases such as SQLite. Python's extensive libraries, such as Scalalchemy and Django-ORM, enable seamless interaction with these databases, facilitating data retrieval, manipulation, and storage. Python's database connectivity shines in fields like data analysis, web development, and machine learning, where handling large volumes of data is the norm. Whether it's about managing user data for a web application or processing big data for insightful analytics, Python stands out. Moreover, Python's simplicity and readability extend to its database handling as well, making it easier for developers to work with complex data structures and queries. In conclusion, Python's simplicity, versatility, and extensive libraries make it a popular choice despite its performance speed and memory consumption drawbacks. It's used by some of the biggest names in tech for a wide range of applications.